Hey, travel lovers, welcome to Secrets Resort here in Playa Blanca, Mexico. It's beautiful here and I cannot wait to show you around.
This property is an adults-only, all-inclusive slice of paradise tucked away on a secluded beach in stunning Mexico. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive tour of the King Master Suite oceanfront because, let's be real, we all love a little luxury with a view. I know I do. But first, I'm Christy, and if you love travel tips, hacks, and an honest review, you're in the right place. If this video helps you dream up your next escape, hit that like button so I know it was worth it. And if you want more room tours and resort deep dives, subscribe so you don't miss what's next. When I stayed at Secrets Playa Blanca, I was in a junior suite with a tropical view, which was lovely, but thanks to the amazing staff at Secrets, I got a full property tour, including a peek inside this oceanfront beauty, and also a few hidden gems I would have otherwise missed. If you'd like a detailed tour of the room I stayed in, you can find it on my channel, and I'll be sure to put that link in the description below. So let's dive into the room tour. But stick around till the end because I'll also spill the details on what unique perks come with the suite, the similarities and differences between the junior suite, and whether or not I think the upgrade is actually worth it. Alrighty, let's go see it.
I'm now on my way to the front desk. I have a tour set up with management. They're going to show me around the property, even though I've seen a lot on my own. Hopefully I'm going to get to be able to see some things that not everybody gets to see, some different room categories. I'm excited to see what else they may show me.
I had hoped to see more room categories other than the junior suite that I was staying in, but the only one they had available to show me was the master suite corner room with an oceanfront view. I mean, that's okay though, because most of the rooms have a similar layout, and this master suite is amazing, but you'll have to see it for yourself, so come on, let me show you. Whoa, okay, this master suite is massive, like I could probably get lost in here. It's beautiful. And look at this TV, I mean, this thing is huge. You won't even have to squint to see the subtitles. Looks like they've got the same standard coffee and tea set up just as the junior suite. And ooh, the sofa's nice, perfect for sprawling out watching that monster-sized TV. Well, look, she's opening the curtain and that entire wall is basically a massive sliding glass window. Oh wow, look at this view. Ocean for days. Nothing but beach as far as the eye can see. We've got a lounging bed, which is different from the junior suite's couch setup. And honestly, I love my couch, but this is the upgrade I didn't know I needed. There's also a chair here if you prefer to sit like a normal person. And there's a soaking tub. Same as the junior suite, and honestly, this was my favorite part of my room. I mean, nothing says vacation like soaking in a tub with a view. All right, so let's talk about this balcony. I mean, this thing is at least twice, maybe even 3 times bigger than the junior suites. And since this is a corner unit, you don't just get an oceanfront view. You also get a wider angle of the whole coastline, plus some of the tropical property view. I would seriously never leave. All right, let's get back inside and see what the bedroom area has to offer. Ooh, nice chair with an ottoman. And that chair design is actually handcrafted by Yucatan artisans, and the foot bench, that headboard, and the wall art are also all locally made. I love that, supporting local artists while living in luxury. Yes, please. Another TV. Okay, so now you can watch from either the bed or the living room, which is a solid design choice. Let's check out that bathroom. Yep, same sliding doors with those see-through slats, just like the junior suite. So if you're hoping for more privacy between the bedroom and shower and toilet, well, that's not happening here.
See, you can see right through it. No privacy, none.
Yep, big old spaces between those slats, not much privacy. The sink setup, though, is the same as the junior suite. Shower, and that bathtub is identical, but this one has a bench next to it because, I mean, who doesn't love a good post-bath lounging spot or just a place to put your stuff? All right, shower time. I mean, not literally, but you know, you get it. Looks pretty much the same as a junior suite, spacious, sleek, and ready for a luxurious rinse-off. All right, now you see, this is what I really wanted in my junior suite room. I literally say this to myself every night as I'm getting ready for dinner. A seated vanity. If you like doing your hair and makeup without playing that game of backache roulette, that's a major win. Oh, yes, and there's a sliding door next to the bed, so you get balcony access from the entire front side of the suite. I mean, imagine waking up and rolling out of bed and stepping straight into paradise. And even though this resort is all about that open concept design, this partition wall with the TV makes a huge difference. I mean, it actually gives you some privacy, which the junior suite seriously lacks. Okay, all right, what's over here in the entryway? Wait, there's a bathroom here. Okay, it's just the half bath, but still, if you're sharing the room and want a little extra bathroom privacy, this is a game changer. All right, so here's the deal. All master suites at Secret's Playa Blanca are oceanfront, but you've got options. There's a master suite with a balcony, which gives you a great view of the ocean and beach. There's also the corner master suite, which is the one we just saw, and it gives you two views from two sides as well as a little extra space. And then there's that luxurious swim out suite, which, I mean, who wouldn't love that? I know I would. So no matter which one you choose, though, you're automatically upgraded to the preferred club status, which comes with some pretty sweet perks. And let's talk about what that means. Preferred club guests get butler service, access to an exclusive pool and hot tub near the preferred club lounge. Plus, there's also an extra bar at both the preferred club lounge and right on the beach next to the bally beds. On top of that, you get 24-hour access to the air-conditioned preferred club lounge because, I mean, let's be honest, sometimes you just need a break from that tropical heat without trekking all the way back to your room. The preferred club lounge also has extra treats. They have extra beverages, a station where you can borrow some books, and even some games to play. All right, and I do need to add this extra side note about the preferred club lounge because I found this really impressive. You also get the freshest honey that you'll ever get. They have it dripping straight out of the honeycomb in the preferred club lounge. I love it. I'm a big honey fan, so I'm like geeking over it. Oh, and did I mention you also get a complimentary hydrotherapy session? I mean, if you've never done hydrotherapy before, trust me, it's a glorious experience, and this perk alone makes the preferred club totally worth it, at least for me anyway. So, the question is the master suite upgrade worth it? My answer is that depends. The open concept design of the rooms here means that bathroom privacy is pretty minimal, which can be a deal breaker for a lot of people. But the master suite gives you a private toilet with a solid door, plus a partitioned off living space with a TV that's separate from the main bathroom. So if you're looking for that extra space and a bit more privacy, the suite delivers in a way that a junior suite just doesn't. So here's the bottom line. If you want more room, a private toilet area, an extra TV, a seated vanity, those exclusive preferred club perks, and if it fits your budget, then it's a no-brainer. The answer is yes. This upgrade is totally worth it. Now it's your turn. I've been jabbering, and now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you'd go for the master suite or if you'd stick with the junior suite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more resort reviews and room tours and other travel-related videos so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Happy travels!
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.